Welcome back to Real Extreme Fishing. Today we're going to be fishing a creek for some smallmouth bass today. This right here is the lure we're going to be throwing today. It's a Nikko leech. This is a 3.8-inch lure. Most people are pretty familiar with the Nikko Helgramite. Let me just show you this lure real quick. So this is it here. Like I said, it's a 3.8-inch bait. It's got that Elastec material like all Nikko baits do. So this lure is pretty much indestructible. You could, if you don't get snagged up on something, you could fish with this all day long and never have to replace it. But the color of this is called Eclipse. I like this because it has that little, it's got the little brightness on the tail there. So this, like I said, this is what we're gonna throw. We're gonna get on the water and hopefully we can catch some smallmouth today, guys. So stay tuned. Going to show you how I have this rigged up here. So basically, right there, we have a 1/0 hook, EWG hook right here, Texas rigged, and then very small, if you can pick that up, that's a 1/16 ounce tungsten bullet weight. I like to go with the less amount of weight as possible. So if I could get away with the 1/16 ounce, I will throw that tungsten over lead any day. So where if you use just like a normal lead weight, it kind of doesn't swim like it should in current, the way I like it to. So rivers, creeks, current, if I'm gonna be fishing something like this, it's usually with a tungsten. So we're gonna get on the water and try to catch some bass. So let's see what we can do, guys. All right, we're gonna start at this bridge here. As you can see, this creek is super shallow. We got a down old tree right here, so we're gonna cast over in that area. Let's get on some fish, guys. First cast. Oh, there's a bite. I'm getting like little nibbles, taps, but I'm guessing the fish are small. So I don't know. We're gonna stick with this for a little bit, then maybe we'll try a Helgramite. Something a little smaller, maybe, I don't know. I know there's fish here, so just gotta figure out what they want. Well, let's keep going. Like I said, well, there's a deep hole down here we're gonna try. If we don't get anything there, we're gonna switch up to something else. This is the hole, guys. Try here first. See any fish here? You can see where this current comes down, right on this edge over here across from me. There's like a deeper pool there. Last year I only fished this area once, and that's where I caught them. So that's where we're gonna try first. Like you said, you can see right here, guys, we have all this current, and then straight from me, straight across from me right in there, it's deeper. These are the areas you really have to find when the creeks are so low. It's kind of where they stack up usually. Oh, we're gonna try a different color. Now here's the color we're gonna try. It's called Magma. It's a lot brighter. This is the one I was throwing. It's the most natural color I have. And then I also have, these are all my nikko stuff. Fusion. This one I had last year. I threw a few times, and I did pretty good. Let's try this. All right. Where are these fish? There's a bite. Oh no, I missed them. Came back for it. There's the first fish, guys. Finally, if I could land them. Finally got a fish. Switch the color. That little bass here. In the corner of the mouth. I can't believe how this little guy fought so hard, but nice little fish. Alright, well that didn't take long with that color, so. Oh, we had to switch it up to the hellgrammite, guys. We only got that one fish on the leech. So we're gonna try this. I'm getting bit, guys. First cast, I got some bites. No real takers, though. There's a fish. Alright guys, we got another fish. My camera died as I was reeling this one in. Come here, bud. Chill, chill, chill. There he is right there. Little smallie. That was the second cast with the hellgrammite here. There's a fish. Small. Get a little bigger. Pulling drag. Not bad. Must have been, yeah, it's the best one of the day. Bro, why are you slamming yourself off the rocks? Not a bad one here. He must have been swimming at me or something. He felt really small at first. Then he got mad, started swimming against me. It's a little smaller. Alright, we're starting to catch them now. It's the third fish. Two on the Helgramite. There's a fish. Number 4. Smallest one of the day. Couldn't resist the Helgramite though. Alright guys, we're gonna try to Helgramite this last spot where we're at. We're gonna see if this makes any difference. Did get like a nibble or two with the leech, but they weren't really committing. By the time I would kind of set the hook, they would be off. They're just kind of like nibbling at it. So we'll get set up down there and try to catch some fish. Oh my God! Guys, did you see that? I hope I picked that up. I think that was a huge trout. Oh my God. Guys, that was like 4 feet in front of me. That was so cool. Oh, I hope I got that on video. That was a big rainbow, I think. Nothing seems to be working right now, guys, so we're gonna try some topwater. First, oh, one just jumped there too. First of 2023. Literally, one just jumped. Nut was jumping here the whole time I've been fishing. I've been fishing here a good 25 minutes or so. No bites. Maybe one bite, but let's try this. Got one, guys. Top water. Oh yeah. Decent fish. Hey, buddy. He's got really nice colors too. Nice fish. Yeah, not a bad fish. First one on top water this year. Not a bad one. All right. Nice fish. See you, dude. All right, we're gonna head downstream a little bit here. We're able to get that one on top water, so we'll keep fishing it. Had a couple other bites, but they were small bass. Couldn't hook them. Looks like we got another nice deep hole here, guys. Hopefully we can catch something. We're doing a lot of wading. I'm not catching anything. But we're not going to call it a day yet. So. Just wish I would have brought a lunch with me. I've been fishing almost 4 hours. There's a fish, finally. And it popped off. We got a bite. Got one, guys. Decent fish too. It's a Zoom product, Zoom grub I got him on. I think it's called the Fat Albert. Wow, it's a nice fish. Wow, nice, guys. Look at this fish. Nice. Look at that one, guys. That's a pretty fish. Look at its lip there. That'll probably happen there. Somebody he ripped it one time, somebody probably caught him, and it's healing over. That's a nice fish. Definitely the best of the day right here. Awesome. I'll take that one. That one was definitely worth the wait. Man, I keep missing them. Oh, it's the same one. Got him that time. Don't jump, don't jump. What is this? Is this a rock bass that hit it that hard? Oh my god. You nailed it, bro. Wow, look at how fat this thing is. Oh my god, guys. Wait till you see how fat. Let me get him off. Look at how fat he is. Wow, that's crazy, bro. How did you hit that hard? Wow. Did they maybe not spawn? Maybe she's full of eggs? See ya, girl. I thought that was a good fish. There's a fish. They're all on that shoreline over there. On the shade. Smallie. Real chill. Spiking me, dude. Oh, there he goes. I was gonna show him, but he decided otherwise. Got him right here by me. I was just getting ready to pull it out and I seen him come up for it. Right. That was insane. Oh, I popped off. He was decent too. Right here, right where the current comes in, this hole. There's a fish. And that current, right where that current break comes off there. There he is. Nice little bass. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it. We ended up catching a decent amount of fish today. We started off the video with the Nikko leech. Caught one on that, switched it up to the Hellgramite, caught 3 or 4 off that. Fished that for a while, and then we switched it up to the Zoom curly tail grub. Its lure's called the Fat Albert. The color of that was salt and pepper, and we were able to catch, I'm not sure how many, but quite a few bass. I caught that one fat rock bass. But all in all, it was a pretty decent day. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna pick more of those Zoom baits up, the curly tail grub. I've actually never fished it in a creek, so, and it worked out pretty well, so. But all in all, it was a great day. Thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.